Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the surface. Remove oils, sweat, and any ointment so the sticker can bond. Once dry, position the sticker carefully on the fold or flat area of the ear. Align the edges before contact. Press the center first, then smooth outward to avoid bubbles. If you need extra longevity, apply a thin layer of a skin-safe primer or medical adhesive. Make sure it's compatible with the sticker and your skin to prevent lifting. Once the sticker is placed, trim any excess so it conforms to the ear's curves. A small scissor makes a clean edge and reduces peeling. Then apply firm, even pressure for 10-20 seconds to activate the adhesive. If the material responds to heat, a low hairdryer blast will help set it. Keep distance to avoid burns. Make sure to reinforce vulnerable edges with tiny strips of breathable medical tape. This prevents snagging and keeps the sticker flush during movement. To finish, test the sticker by moving your jaw and head gently. This reveals stress points. Once done, avoid water or heavy sweating for the first 1 to 2 hours so the bond cures. If you notice redness or irritation, remove the sticker immediately, cleanse the area, and try a hypoallergenic adhesive or patch test next time. If the edge lifts, don't tear it. Reapply a small amount of primer or replace the sticker, making sure to smooth from center outward.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.